Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Mike, this is Tech Android. If you are new to our YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe and the bell icon to get all the latest updates from our YouTube channel. Without further wasting of time, let's go back to the video. In this video tutorial, I will be showing you how to install TWRP Custom Recovery on your TECNO Camon CX Air. Let's check for the device model and version. Click on or go to your settings and scroll down to About Phone. And this is a ported XOS 2.2 ROM for TECNO Camon CX Air, as you see. If you want my ROM, please like my videos. I will make a video after 300 likes. To install this recovery from your phone, your device must have root access. If you don't have root access, you can use SP Flash tool to install the recovery.img file. First, download these two apps from the link was in the description and one zip file. After you download these two apps, open Z-Archiver app. Click on it and grant all the permission required for the app, and then scroll down to the folder where you put the downloaded zip file and choose the file which named is TECNO Camon CX Air, TWRP and the like, and click on it and click on extract here. Click on apply to all. After the extraction process was completed, you must get 3 recovery files. For this video, I use the first one because it's my favorite TWRP recovery, which is a pitch black recovery project 3.22, and the remaining two are, the first one is Feliz and the other is another version of TWRP 3.02. You can use any of the recoveries from the extracted zip file. Now click on my favorite one, or pitch black TWRP, and again click on extract here. Click on apply to all files and wait until the extraction process completed. Now exit from Z-Archiver app and again open the Flashify app from your drawer or from your home screen. Now click on accept. At this time, the app was checking for root on your device. Now click on this and click on again and choose next time, and then untick the ask again, and then press or choose grant. Then again click OK. Now the app's dashboard has opened, and now click on the flash option and then choose the recovery option from the drop down menu, and then again choose or click choose a file. Now scroll to where you put the downloaded files. In my case this is an internal storage, downloads, and here is the file. This is recovery.img. Click on it and click on Yep to flash the recovery to your own device. Now if you want to reboot into your recovery, you can choose reboot now, but I don't want to reboot into my recovery, so I choose flash more. Okay guys, as I told you in the previous, I will make a video on how to install my ported Infinix XS 2.2 ROM in your TECNO Camon CX Air. After 300 likes, please like my video. It has so many good features in relation to the stock TECNO Camon CX Air ROM. It has a scroll shoot, one hand mode, and so many features. So please like my video. Thanks. If you want to reboot your device into recovery mode to check whether it's flashed or not, you can press the power button on your phone and choose reboot menu from the drop down, and you can reboot into your recovery menu. That's all about my today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, share it to your friends, like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks. As I told